have to say to everyone, चाहे आपने पहले हिप्नोथेरेपी कहीं सीखी हो, कितने भी सालों से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो या नए हो, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ। चाहे आप हिप्नोथेरेपी पहले कहीं से सीखी हो, आपने नहीं सीखी हो, नौसिखिए हो, या जैसे भी, it doesn't make any difference whether you have learned it earlier or not. If you follow these two principles which we have been saying since day one, subconscious mind doesn't understand the difference between reality and imagination, and the best positive rule for hypnosis is there is no rule for hypnosis. So जब तक आप आपके concepts clear रखोगे, तब तक आपको किसी चीज से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, ना ही आपको ये लगना चाहिए कि कहीं से किसी ने सीखा है, कुछ कैसे सीखा है, कि there is nothing called experience, there is nothing called fresher, there is nothing called experience when it comes to hypnosis. The only thing which will work for you is your mind's creativity. अगर आप सही तरीके से creativity देते हो, if you are able to use your creativity in the right way, you can make it possible to hypnotize anyone and get the things done. 2 minutes, Vaishali madam. So never have a fear that he has learned earlier, she has learned earlier, or whatever way. It has happened with me also when I used to learn. Might be someone must be learning past so many years, so they are able to write the script, so they are able to deliver the script. Never have that fear. It doesn't make any difference even if you have not learned the ABC of hypnosis earlier, because I can guarantee you that if you go through all the lectures again and again, you will be able to take anyone in trance. The only thing which is needed is your own conviction, your own determination for making the things happen. Because if you believe that you can do it, then definitely you can do it. Or else even if you go to the world's best hypnotherapist and try to learn, he can teach you the methods. Finally, लेना नहीं लेना अपने ऊपर होता है, प्रैक्टिस अपने हाथ में होती है, and practice से भी ज़्यादा, how exactly are you using your voice tone? What is your patience level? The most important thing for any hypnotherapist or any therapist, or even a doctor or whoever, when it comes to therapy and when we are handling people, make sure that you are not handling machines. Minal, just give me 1 minute. You are not handling machines. You are handling people who are product of emotions. So whenever any client comes to you, patient comes to you, have that patience to listen. A good listener can become a very good hypnotherapist. But if you don't have a capacity, if you don't have that enthusiasm to listen the person, probably you can't be a good hypnotherapist. Reason being, when you have to be a therapist, you should listen what words your client or the patient is saying. And the biggest tip in this is try to use his words in his script. It becomes more powerful. कोई फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ समवन इज सेइंग कि हाँ मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड में ना हमेशा दर्द होता है, कुछ भी मैं उठाता हूँ तो मेरे लाइक बकेट उठाते वक्त भी मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड में दर्द होता है. While using the script, while writing the script, make sure that you are using the word left hand so that it relates to him. So to make it easy, always be a good listener, whether you are an NLP trainer, whether you are an astrologer, whether you are a numerologist, or no matter what. Finally, you should be able to use the words which the client is using. This is called as rapport building, RAPPORT. Because unless and until you build a rapport with the person, You can't hypnotize him. Till date, in past 4, 5, 6, 7 days, we have learned about de-inductions, deepening, everything. Before that, what is important is pre-talk. If I would have taken pre-talk in the initial 2, 3 days, you might have felt that it was complete waste of money for the hypnosis workshop and nothing is going, only theory, things are happening. So we started with the practicals. Of course, आगे भी practicals होंगे. But the most important part whenever someone comes to you is pre-talk. PRETALK. जो लोग चाहिए इसके notes लिख सकते हैं, because probably I don't have any notes on this. I'm just saying it out of my own experience. So please make these notes and notes लिख के मुझे भी share करना, because I don't have the notes. And after this, we'll be learning a very amazing technique which can help you to come out of any problems. Even I have seen that it has helped me to generate my insulin levels at a better level. अगर किसी के पास pulse oximeter है घर पे, तो we can try live something different. कोशिश करके देख सकते हैं, मैंने खुद किया हुआ है, it works. So अब अपने को सबसे पहले we have to do pre-talk. Pre-talk means whenever a client comes to you, whenever a patient comes to you, whenever someone comes for counseling, most important job for you is to listen what that person wants to say. Document in your own words as what he wants to say. बहुत सारे आपको एडमिशन फॉर्म्स मिल जाएंगे गूगल पे, बहुत भर भर के पड़े हैं, but following those forms or listening carefully, it makes a big difference when you are listening someone. Just imagine that you are sitting in front of someone and a person is not listening to you, but he is keeping on writing whatever you are saying. He is just making the notes. You get irritated. आप खुद भी जब किसी डॉक्टर के सामने बैठते हो, थेरेपिस्ट के सामने बैठते हो, if that person is not listening to you, but he keeps on writing, he is making his notes, he is doing wonderful job for himself, but he irritates you. Reason being, you are there to say something. So make sure that you are attending the client, listening to him. And once you listen to him, then you make your notes, or else try to just write down the keywords. But if you keep on writing, many people have this habit that someone is speaking and they try to make notes. Someone is speaking and then you are looking at your mobile. किसी का WhatsApp का message आया क्या? किसी का कुछ आया क्या? This is one of the worst habits which people have developed. So whenever someone comes for your counseling, whenever someone comes for your, whether it's your NLP, numerology, astrology, or whatever therapy you do, main important thing is give an ear to the person. He is not there to give out his worst of the things in the life. He is there to share something. क्योंकि उसको कहीं पर बाहर शेयर करने के लिए एक अच्छा इंसान नहीं मिला, probably he found a good person in you, so he wants you to listen. So develop the ability of listening first before you speak. उसके लिए एक छोटा सा एक कहानी मुझे याद है. 3 लोग रहते हैं, एक बॉस, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम मस्ट हैव लिसन्ड दिस, पहले भी सुनी होगी ये कहानी, फिर भी कोशिश करता हूँ बताने की अपने वर्ड्स में. Like there was a guy, 3 people were sitting on the beach, and one was a boss and two were his colleagues. So God comes and says that I am happy with 3 of you. You can ask whatever you want. So these 2 colleagues, like boss says that you are my juniors, please you ask. So the first guy says that I want to go on holidays to Miami and also settle down there. God says, yes, perfectly, your wish is granted. Second guy says, I want to get rid of this idiot boss because he is the worst boss in the life, and I just want to have a different life. So now the turn comes for the boss. So God asks him that, what is your wish now? He says, I want both these idiots right now here in the office. Simple. So never challenge your boss. Always allow your seniors, always allow your clients to speak first. Your boss is always your boss because he has a better vocabulary than you. So before we proceed further, I think Minal, your son wants to say something, right? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yadnesh, please come. Say.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Evening.
तुझं नाव काय आहे?
Your name? Your name.
Yadnesh.
Yadnesh. Very nice name.
Say one. Yes, sir.
Very nice name. Be happy always and keep your mother and father happy always. Chalo.
Yes.
Bye. Good night.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Good night.
सर बहुत देर से वो कह रहा था कि मुझे भी कहना है
हाँ,
गुड
नहीं,
गुड
कोई
गुड
बात नहीं,
इवनिंग
अच्छा है. Finally, we should allow kids to speak. It helps them to build their confidence. Huh.
यस
Anyone? Vaishali madam, you had also raised your hand.
यस सर आपने जब बताया था ना स्क्रिप्ट लिखने के लिए, मतलब
हाँ.
जिस दिन आपने डांटा था
हाँ.
उस एक दिन पहले, तो
हाँ.
एट दैट टाइम आई मैनेज टू राइट डाउन द इंडक्शन and for a change I even recorded on my own voice, but then when I heard it I realized कि मैं एक monotonous, मतलब जैसे ऐसे बोलती हूँ कि जैसे कहीं लिखा हुआ पढ़ रही हूँ. I mean मेरे यहाँ मुझे पास टोनालिटी नहीं है या मतलब ऐसे कुछ आप जब कह रहे थे ना कि एक मोनोटोनस होना चाहिए, तो वैसा कुछ नहीं था.
एकदम monotonous
पर
भी नहीं होना चाहिए,
immediate
थोड़ा
next
सा.
day,
हाँ. Okay. कहिए. Now I'll tell you how you have to do
नेक्स्ट
it.
डे क्या हुआ, मैं एक हाँ
बोलिए.
नेक्स्ट डे मैंने एक मैंने कुछ खरीदा था, वो एक्सचेंज करने, तो वो जो शॉपकीपर था उन्होंने कहा मुझे, ओके मैडम नाउ यू ओ मी 20 रुपीज. तो आई फील दैट इज द हिप्नोटिक कमांड कि एकदम एक लाइन यू हैव टू पे मी 20. तो अगर मुझे पता है कि सामने वाला मुझे हिप्नोटिक कमांड दे रहा है, तो उसका असर होता है क्या? मतलब अगर मैं कहीं की कोई अगर मुझे
हिप्नोटिक कमांड तभी उस पे असर करेगी. For example, suppose if it's like you had been to that shop and a shopkeeper is saying that you owe me say 50 rupees. It will go into your mind only and only if you're consciously thinking about something different. When we had discussed about waking up suggestion, we had discussed on day 4. That suppose, for example, if someone is hurt, his entire focus is on that painful area. And at that time, if you give him some different command, that directly goes into the subconscious mind. So it works. So whenever you are buying something, try to be alert. So it will help you.
One more thing कि हम जब लिख रहे हैं, अगर मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये जब स्क्रिप्ट मुझे ही हिप्नोसिस के लिए अगर मुझे करने हैं, तो मेरे वर्डिंग्स नाउ यू आर गोइंग इन टू अ डीप रिलैक्सेशन ऐसे होने चाहिए, या अभी मैं पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स हो रही हूँ ऐसे चाहिए?
नहीं,
मतलब उसका वर्डिंग चेंज करना चाहिए अगर मुझे खुद सेल्फ हिप्नोसिस करना है तो?
You don't need to change the wordings. You can use it as if you are using for others, because when you will listen, that will be a third person's command for you. So that works in a powerful way. Like you do not say, now I am going into deep trance. Now you are going into a deep trance. So automatically when you listen, it becomes a command for you. That works. ठीक,
Okay. And it will help me to do a practice कि अगर दूसरों को देना है तो मुझे भी प्रैक्टिस हो
absolutely,
जाएगी
absolutely. And
कि मैं उसका मुझे खुद
today
का कितना
whatever we will
असर हो
learn,
रहा है.
today the technique which we will learn can 99% take anyone into a hypnotic trance, probably in less than 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. I have tried it, it works for me. I have tried it for my clients, it works for me, it works for them. So it depends upon you that how exactly you are allowing to happen it. It works. So before we proceed further, I'll Akash Rathi. Akash Rathi, who is this?
शीतल सर, शीतल राठी.
Yes.
सर एक्चुअली मुझे ये पूछना है कि अगर हम लोग जैसे अभी बच्चों को तो हिप्नोथेरेपी देते वक्त बच्चों का इतना ये नहीं रहता है, वो कभी इधर हिलते हैं कभी उधर हिलते हैं, तो हम लोग उनको रात को ही अफर्मेशन देना चाहिए या पर्टिकुलर जो अपना रहता है इंडक्शन तो उसमें से नहीं देंगे रहेगा, राइट? रात को अगर हम लोग
उसमें
कर
आप
रहे
प्राइवेट
हैं
अफर्मेशन दे सकते हो छोटे बच्चों को, जब वो आधे नींद में चले जाते हैं, सुलाते हो, जब आप उनको दोही सुनाते हुए, जैसे उनकी आंखें भारी होनी शुरू हो जाती है, सो दैट विल हेल्प.
ओके, तो डायरेक्ट अफर्मेशन दे सकते हैं हमको इसका ये
बिल्कुल आप एक स्लो वॉइस में अफर्मेशन दे सकते हो छोटे बच्चों को. इट वर्क्स. आपकी खुद की आवाज में आप चाहिए तो रिकॉर्ड करके उनके कान पे लगा दो कि तू बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है, तुझे सब कुछ आता है, तुझे सब. Put it positively, it works. Generally for the children below 7 years, because in first 6 to 7 years, the complete subconscious mind is like a blank slate. Whatever you hit the mind, it becomes a permanent memory.
पर अभी 11-12 साल के बच्चे हैं तो उनके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? अफर्मेशन चलेगा?
अफर्मेशन डेफिनेटली काम करेगा, डेफिनेटली काम करेगा, because affirmation has to be but affirmation has to be continuously done, and once that, and also दिन में उस बच्चे को दिखने को लगाओ, so it becomes a imprint slowly. Let him write it like I am happy, I am healthy, whatever you want. I am in process of being healthy, I am in process of achieving the success. Automatically हो जाएगा, आपकी खुद की भाषा में लिखो.
सर वन मोर क्वेश्चन
हाँ जी.
आज कि ये जो हम लोग हिप्नोथेरेपी देंगे किसी को भी देंगे सपोज, तो हमें कितने सेशन मिनिमम या मैक्सिमम ऐसे कुछ होता है कि इतने सेशन और क्या?
There is nothing called minimum or maximum. If you are working with a patient, for example, before the first session, you should take a medical report, a proper diagnosis report from the doctor, which states that what is happening. Like after first 5 or 7 sessions, let him again go and do the checkup. And if the reports are showing the changes, if there are substantial changes, then at least in next 2 to 3 therapies, the person will start seeing the difference. क्योंकि difference तो 100% दिखता है, but then who will monitor that? Because your client might say कि नहीं मुझे तो कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. Only his medical reports will tell that whether the things are happening or not. So you have to make sure that you have, for example, if someone comes to you for say blood sugar problems, take his reports, उसके बाद उसका जो भी वो डाइट पैटर्न वगैरह जो फॉलो करता है, and then also like after 1 month, 2 months, make sure that he gives you his next report. Not only his HB1AC, but even the regular fasting and PP.
और अगर हम लोगों को उनके रिलेशनशिप या उनके मनी से रिलेटेड, सक्सेस से रिलेटेड अगर करना होता है तो उसमें भी अगर
on an average 5 to 7 sessions are good enough for a person to see the difference, and it will only work for the people who really want to see the success or a better relationship, or else it will not. So now we'll take further questions. बाद में लेते हैं, नहीं तो मैं भूल जाऊंगा कि क्या करना है. Dolly, I'll take your question. Maybe बीच में कभी ले लेते हैं. So now we were discussing about a pre-talk. Someone has mentioned that is it like taking a case history? Case history in the medical profession. Yes, it's not like taking a case history. The person should not feel that you are trying to extract some information from them. Your person might not feel comfortable, but you can always get that exact information of what you want based on how exactly you are communicating. For example, if a person is coming to you and if you say that, yes, now as you are here, I know you are here with a strong conviction that I am able to help you. Also, I know that by the end of this session, you will see that you are able to find out maximum solutions for your problems. So this will help. उसको लगना चाहिए कि जैसे ही आप यहाँ बैठे हो, मुझे पता है कि आप यहाँ पे आए हो, तो यहाँ आने के बाद आपको कंफर्ट लेवल डेफिनेटली महसूस होगा और उसी कंफर्ट लेवल के भरोसे आप यहाँ आए हो. सो मैं आपको उस लेवल तक पूरी कोशिश करूंगा कि आप एकदम सही तरीके से एक सही सॉल्यूशन लेके बाहर जाओ. So you build that confidence level in the client first, no matter for what thing he comes, whether it's whatever therapy. So building that rapport is most important whenever you start working with your clients. Pre-talk में सबसे पहले important वही है that you build your rapport. Once that rapport is built, you will be able to see that the client is opening up himself. Just the way in school, many teachers either fail to talk to students or they succeed in talking to students. Many times teachers fail talking to students. Reason? They see the child from their perspective and the child is a different person. For example, a teacher is say a visual teacher and a child is an auditory child. He will always try to use auditory words, auditory lifestyle. And a teacher is a visual lifestyle. दोनों में कभी नहीं होगा. जैसे if you remember, husband and wife अगर visual है, auditory है, तो किस तरह से झगड़े होते हैं. So understanding your client is important. That's the reason I said that try to listen what words he is using. कौन से words use कर रहा है. कि मैं यहाँ से जा रहा था तो मैं जब झाड़ू उठाता हूँ तब मुझे पेन होता है. कुछ लोग you will see that they will say कि जैसे मुझे झाड़ू वर्ड सुनाई देता है ना, मेरा सिर हिल जाता है. So auditory. Even that by the listening the word झाड़ू, they feel irritated. So understand whether your client is visual, auditory or kinesthetic, and apart from that, try to use the same words which he is using. So it helps you to build the rapport. Because unless and until you build a rapport, neither your client, neither your patient will be able to gel with you. So rapport building is the most important thing in the pre-talk. Now, when it comes to medical history, you have to very politely ask him that if someone says कि हाँ ये है वो है, या एक relationship history भी, ask him in the polite way that how exactly would you feel different when your relationships are okay. For example, if someone says that my relationships are absolutely bad, and if you try to ask them that why are they bad, how are they bad, probably they might not be able to tell you. Rather, they will not tell. But if you twist the question, saying that how exactly would you, how exactly can you define if your relationships were really the way you wanted? आपकी जिंदगी जैसे आपको चाहिए वैसे अगर होती तो कैसे होती? Then they will come up with the exact solution that what is in their mind. यहाँ जो छुपा के रखते हैं ना थाइमस में, वो बाहर आ जाएगा. So don't ask direct questions. Ask indirect questions whenever you are speaking with your client. And it will help you to extract the information. If you see any serials or whenever a police inquiry happens, like see those bits and pieces. How exactly do they do? Interrogation. They try to ask indirect questions. And finally, जब indirect से नहीं होता है तो उनको पता है that डंडे लेके सब कुछ निकलता है. But in normal case, you can't go and hit anyone. You have to ask indirect questions and get the exact information for yourself. So in pre-talk, it is very important that you note down each and everything. Make sure that you are attending your client, attending your child, attending your husband, whoever it is for whom you are giving therapy. That listen what exactly they want to say. Don't assume कि हाँ he is saying कि मेरे पेट में दर्द होता है मतलब ये definitely कुछ ना कुछ गलत खाता होगा. There might be some different reason. He is eating a healthy food, but still he is having a pain in the stomach. Don't assume let the person speak, and to make the person speak, you should be able to ask the right set of questions. How exactly, when exactly, how exactly would you feel different if your relationships are good? How exactly will you feel when your stomach pain is gone? What exactly are you feeling when your stomach is having the problem? What exactly do you feel when it is itching? पूछो क्वेश्चन. जब तक आप सही तरीके से क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछोगे, आप स्क्रिप्ट, it will help you in writing your script in a better way, because that will help you to understand that what is his or her thinking pattern. What difference will it make? Because those words play important roles, and words are always mightier than swords. Anything you can kill with your words. अच्छे से अच्छी चीज टूट जाती है, रिलेशंस टूट जाते हैं, जिंदगी टूट जाती है. वर्ड्स एक बार काट देंगे, बट वर्ड्स हमेशा के लिए तुमको हर्ट करते हैं. So pre-talk is very important aspect whenever you are doing any session, whenever you are discussing with anyone, or even forget about hypnotherapy, even in your real life, you should have that capacity and ability to listen to people. And if you don't have, please make sure that you develop this capacity and ability. सुनने की आदत डालो. बोलना बहुत अच्छा होता है, सबको अच्छा लगता है कि मुझे कब बोलने का मौका मिले, एंड इसी चक्कर में झगड़े ज्यादा होते हैं. So don't try to speak, try to listen first. And the moment you listen, the other person calms down. But if you try to speak when the other person is speaking, probably you might mess up. And hypnotherapy is all about words, all about how you speak, how you deliver your talks. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? डॉली, योर क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
Yes, I wanted to ask one thing. When we give,
थोड़ा सा ऊंचा बोलना.
whenever we give induction, is
हाँ.
it always in the same pattern of counting, like 25 to 1? What happens in that case with the small children, especially I just did with my 8 years old? What happens? She's actually, if she hears any smooth voice, she falls asleep very quickly, like within a 1 or 2 minutes. So as soon as I finish 25 to 1, she goes into trance. Do I consider that as a trance, or do I consider this?
Consider it as a trance and give
Yes.
those commands.
But when we say with the grown-ups, like if you will see yourself like moving your hand or
But
whatever,
this
you
might
give
not happen with the child.
yeah.
This might not happen with the child, because the child goes into the alpha state immediately. So you can
Okay.
imprint your commands while the child is in the alpha state of mind, and
Okay,
that will
but
help.
still it goes,
So
right?
yes, that will definitely help.
Okay, even though after some time when we when we finish our session and then she speaks, and then actually to wake her up also, I need to just, if I say something, she doesn't wake up, I just touch her gently, she wakes up.
Yes.
And then I ask her, did you hear the story, what I was telling you to imagine? She says, no, actually, I don't remember, she
No,
says.
that is a good sign, because after the session, the person should not remember the things. The only things which are imprinted should be there in the mind, because this principle is also used in past life regression. That when you
Okay.
take a person to any of the life, the only thing which are needed are brought back, and baki, whatever relations, whatever things were happening in that life, those are completely erased.
Okay.
That is the job of a good hypnotherapist. Now I have one story to tell you. There was a farmer. He had a donkey, and this donkey, like now this donkey had helped him for lots of years. Finally, this donkey got old, and then he couldn't take the donkey outside. कि कुछ काम वगैरह करना है तो donkey को बाहर लेके नहीं जाता था. What happened is, once, like, there were children around his house, they were burning crackers, and while burning the crackers, that sound of those crackers, explosion of those crackers, made this donkey hyper and cranky, and it was not tied to any rope or something. This farmer had a very narrow well, जिसको बावड़ी कहा जाता है हिंदी में, a very narrow well, only like a size of maybe something which falls inside, it will directly go inside. So what happens is in this complete, like when the sound explosion starts, this donkey gets afraid, and in that turbulence moment, he just goes and jumps into that well. Fortunately, unfortunately. Now the farmer comes there. Farmer sees that yes, the donkey is inside. They try to put the ropes, they try to everything, they try to do everything, but finally it was a donkey. It couldn't. And then finally a decision came that now nothing can be done for this donkey. It is better it dies there. And to like, अगर उसको मरना ही है तो how to do it? So finally these guys decided that they will throw the mud. ऊपर से मिट्टी डालना चालू किया उस कुएं में. Now, once that mud was being poured inside, bucket by bucket, this donkey realized that पहले उसके आगे जैसे मिट्टी आ गई, once the mud was poured, this donkey realized that his feet are getting stuck in that mud. So he just moved his feet. थोड़ा सा वहीं पे जगह पे उसने पैर हिलाए, ऊपर से और मड आने लगी. More and more mud was being thrown, and the donkey was just moving his legs a bit, and while he was moving the legs, it was being uplifted upwards. It was being lifted upwards. Slowly, by the time they were throwing this mud continuously, the donkey came to that level where it could jump out of the well easily. So what does this story indicate us? What does this story indicate?
कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकालना था.
First,
Ultimately, it is up to the person to make the effort to come out of any crisis or any situation.
both
You
the
can
answers
only
are
help.
right. To the level, both are right. और नजदीक का आंसर क्या आएगा?
Never lose
are
hope.
necessary.
Never lose hope in life.
Everybody has a talent to overcome any issues. So only
Sir,
just you
जो
need to have a
command-
power to recognize it and your own power and go into it.
और specific कौन
सर
सा आंसर है?
सर
Sir,
स्पेसिफिक ये हो
never-
सकता है सर
Pardon?
स्पेसिफिक ये हो सकता है सर कि the donkey was not aware that this is the way to come out of the well. The moment he got Sir, that may I- sense, the awareness कि मैं ऐसे मड से ऐसे पुश करूंगा तो बाहर निकल सकता हूँ.
Almost close to
Even
the answer.
then-
Almost close to the answer.
मतलब
Sir,
उसे
we have
पता
to
नहीं
give
था
the
फिर
right
भी वो
command.
निकल गया likewise.
Sir,
Almost close to the answer. Can someone
we have
reframe
to-
this answer?
sir, we
Can
have
someone
to
reframe?
There are
Sir,
no
we have
fixed
to
rules to
give the-
succeed.
There are
There are no fixed rules to succeed.
nahi.
sir, may I?
Yes, please.
Sir, we have to give the right solution at the right time. Ropes could not help out, but the mud was the right command and right way to pull him out.
90% close to the answer, but I want an exact sentence. What can be the sentence? Slow. Take 2 minutes. This is one of the biggest
Sir,
solution.
my answer is
Hmm.
we should never stop giving commands. We should always keep give commands, and we don't know what will work.
नहीं, honestly नहीं.
Okay.
सर
हाँ, Pallavi. Yes, Archana. Who would like to say first?
सर हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन होता है तो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके हम उस सॉल्यूशन तक आखिर तक वो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो नेवर गिव अप एंड ट्राई to
Nidhi
this
was
solution
almost
problems
close
only.
to the answer. Nidhi was almost close to the answer. Take this as a base and use it. Nidhi was
we
almost close
should-
to the answer.
So we should always value our lives. We should we must know the importance of our life, and we should never lose hope.
Nidhi, can you reframe your answer? You are almost close to the answer. Using the available resources, whatever you have, you can find a solution. Generally, what we do is we try to say that I don't have this, I don't have that, मेरे पास ये नहीं है, मेरे पास वो नहीं है. That animal was a donkey, but what he used, he only used the available resource, which was a mud. Neither he waited that हाँ कोई सामने से रस्सी आएगी, कुछ नहीं. Anything, whenever we have something, available resource can help us to come out of the situation. And here again I would put it, अभी donkey का subconscious mind होता है नहीं होता है, that's a different story. But available resource, suppose if I say that yes, this is a magic pen, and if I start believing it as a magic pen, this is a resource for me. I can write best of the best script. So utilize your available resources. Don't strive for getting something new, or don't strive for कि हाँ मुझे यही चाहिए वही चाहिए. You might not be able to buy those things probably, but not now. But once you start utilizing your existing resources, you will be able to buy them slowly. You don't need to have a Nike shoes to go for a morning walk. Even a normal 100 rupees canvas shoes is good, more than enough. So the point here to explain for hypnosis is that whenever you want to do something, the biggest resource which you have is your subconscious mind. You can create anything in your mind, you can make anything in your mind, and you can make it possible that your things are working. 200% काम करेगा अगर आप existing resources पे काम करोगे. Your existing glass of water can be a biggest resource for your healing. Your existing घर मतलब घर के आपकी लौंग आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा resource बन सकती है किसी और चीज से ठीक होने के लिए. It only depends upon how you are using your resources, how you are using your mind. Or else you have everything in the world, but if you don't have a determination to do it, nothing can help you. Resource होगा तो आप साइकिल से भी जाओगे कहीं पर मिलने को. बट अगर दिल में ही डिटर्मिनेशन नहीं है, आपके पास BMW भी होगी ना बड़ी बड़ी, तो भी आप नहीं जाओगे. So having a determination to do the things and utilizing the right resources is most important. The moment you try to find out a solution to use your resources, you will see that things are getting better. Lalitji, you wanted to say something, your face is showing that you want to say something. कहिए सर.
सर मैं उस समय कहना चाह रहा था जब डॉली जी ने कहा था ना कि उनकी बेटी जो है सो गई थी, और यही बात मैं पूछना चाह रहा था कि उस दिन जब आपने सेशन लिया, मुझे नहीं पता कि वो मैंने वीडियो में देखा बाद में कि अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि आप मेन हैं तो अनईजीनेस हो रही है, या वुमेन हैं या चारकोल, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. मैं लिटरली सो चुका था, और जब मैं वापस आया हूँ तब भी मुझे कुछ नहीं पता ये सब क्या हुआ. मैंने बाद में वीडियो में देखा, तो मेरा भी वही क्वेरी थी कि जब मैं सो गया था, अब आपने कुछ भी बोला, कुछ भी किया, कैसा भी किया, मुझे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं. तो अगर हम किसी को सेशन दे रहे हैं और उस समय में वो बंदा सो गया, लेट सपोज मैंने अपने लिए ही कुछ रिकॉर्ड किया और हेडफोन्स लगाए और मैं ही सो गया, तो वो कमांड्स कैसे वर्क करने वाली है, मेरा उस समय वही, इसीलिए मैंने पूछना चाहा था.
How do the commands work? First is whenever you are giving a command, you are telling that you are going into a deeper and deeper and deeper sleep and a trance. And whenever the person is into alpha state, he is neither slept, neither awake. So whatever you say, that goes in his or her mind, because he is not into delta state or theta state. In alpha state, everything goes in the mind. Like you are a Akashic reader. When you also do readings, either you go yourself into the trance and you try to access those records. So you are into that alpha state of mind. You are not into beta, theta or delta. Only in alpha state of mind you can access any records. Because if you go into delta or down further, you will not be able to access it. Only our subconscious mind allows us to access or even accept the command. So whenever a person, even if he or she is into that alpha state of mind, तो वो एक्सेस कर देता है कमांड. अगर बहुत ही गहरी नींद में जाता है तो probably you might have to take a second session, wake him up and do a session. क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि if the person is too much tired or exhausted, he or she might go into deep sleep. Chances हैं. But then again, while you are giving your command, you can always program that yes, continuously you are listening to me. If you see that first time that client has gone into a deep sleep, try to give him a command to check whether he is really into a deep sleep. Like again, you have to give बीच में एक ऐसा command दे सकते हो that now as you are listening my voice, while I am counting from 1 to 10, you will see and experience that you are able to lift your hand. If he is able to lift your hand, his hand means he is not slept. He is into the alpha state of mind. So if you have any doubt while your client is sleeping, give him that command so that you are confirmed that whether he is sleeping or he is into that deep trance. ये आप कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा but definitely होगा.
मैं जो अभी अपनी समझ से या अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से करवा रहा हूँ मेडिटेशन में, मैं पहले एक गिलास ठंडा पानी पीने को कहता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा ये मानना है कि उस समय वो कम से कम सोएगा नहीं. और हाँ, खाना गलती से नहीं खाया होना चाहिए.
ये तो बिल्कुल
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, क्योंकि खाना बच रहा होगा तो वो फिर कहाँ सुनने वाला मेरी. लेकिन हाँ, मैं एक गिलास ठंडा पानी ज़रूर पीने को कहता हूँ. और जब मेडिटेशन से बाहर लाता हूँ तब भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कम से कम 2 घूंट पानी पी लो. तो मैं स्पेशली सिर्फ पानी की बात कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं अपने लिए कह रहा हूँ ना, मेरे साथ बड़ी दिक्कत है. मैंने जब कभी भी ट्राई किया मैं तो सॉलिड सोता हूँ. जो मेरे पड़ोसी बताते हैं, भाई साहब बहुत बढ़िया कराटे ले रहा था. तो मेरे साथ ही हो जाता है.
आप कंटिन्यू खुद का एक 30 मिनट्स का रिकॉर्ड लगा दो. रिकॉर्ड करके लग your earphones, they will definitely go into your subconscious mind. And in the session itself, you have to give a command that after 30 minutes of deep sleep, I'll wake up in the complete fresh mode. वो complete दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. It works.
Okay.
It works 100% because like when I sleep at like 4 a.m. in the morning, so I give a command that I'll be getting up at 7 a.m. and I'll be completely fresh. तो हो जाता है. And exactly 7 बजे आँख खुल भी जाती है. फिर बाद में it depends upon me whether I want to sleep further or not. 3:30-4 बजे जब भी सोता हूँ, I give a command कि 7 बजे सुबह उठना है. तो फ्रेश उठ जाता है. And you have to just give a command that my body is getting healed while I am sleeping and it's helping me to regenerate. सब कुछ निकल जाता है. स्किन के प्रॉब्लम्स हुए होंगे वो भी निकल जाते हैं. But the only thing is your determination in that command that yes it is helping me.
वैसे एक बात और कहनी थी, मैं आपको बहुत ज़्यादा थैंकफुल हूँ इन सेशंस के लिए, क्योंकि हम कुछ जो वर्कशॉप्स कराते हैं मेडिटेशन के लिए, उसमें मैंने ये कमांड वाले जो सिस्टम है ना, लाइन वाइज डीप ब्रीदिंग कराते हुए मैंने उस समय काउंट किया है. और आज शाम की भी वर्कशॉप थी, कल भी है, और उसमें लोगों को बहुत बेहतरीन, जिसे कहते हैं, रिलैक्स हुए, बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है. और मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है उसे भी यूट्यूब पे. और बहुत नहीं, आपका थैंकफुल हूँ, क्योंकि मैं जो कर रहा था वो मैं कर रहा था, वो एक अलग बात है. तो ऑब्वियसली जब आपने करवाया है तो थैंकफुल मुझे आपका ही होना चाहिए. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
Accepting that also requires a big heart. क्योंकि आप इतने सालों से हैं, you are master in your field. It requires a big heart to accept that yes it is working.
सर, जो चीज़ आपकी की हुई है उसको आपको मिलना ही चाहिए ना. ठीक है, बेशक 4 साल हो गए हमें इस बारे में बात करते हुए, पर्सनली नहीं कर पाए, बट जो अब मैंने सीखा है ऑब्वियसली मैंने उसको यूज़ किया, आज ही किया है, और ज़बरदस्त रिजल्ट ले हैं.
अब आज जो सीखोगे, भगवान ने चाहा तो आज जितने रिजल्ट्स आज तक आपने दिए ना, उससे 100 गुना ज़्यादा रिजल्ट दे पाओगे. But the only thing today, whatever we will be learning, if you genuinely follow it, it can give you 100 times better result than whatever you have been delivering to your client till date. That I can guarantee. इसमें करना कुछ नहीं है. I'll just have a sip of water. Before that, if anyone has a question, please put up the question.
Just want to clarify what you've just told Lalit ji, कि alpha state में subconscious हम ज़्यादा access कर सकते हैं.
Yes, you can access and also you can give a command.
So, but when we were doing all these practical exercises, and then weren't we listening to theta waves?
Theta waves were just to calm down the brain frequency. Your entire body was into alpha state. If you remember from day one, I was saying that calm down only your brain. Brain frequency should be brought down to 5 to 7 hertz. And even if you don't put up the theta waves, just with your voice, you can make it possible. Your voice should have that calmness. Your voice should have that command. Like yesterday when this Shweta madam did, we had not put up any music. Using that voice tonality is important. So use it with, and it's not necessary that you should copy her or you should copy me or you should copy anyone. You have your own unique style. You develop your unique style and it will be your style. Like the way Amjad Khan का जो वो कितने आदमी थे, no one in the world can copy it. No matter आप कितना सेव फोड़ो वैसा कोई नहीं बोल पाएगा. So don't try to imitate anyone. Just be yourself. Be like whatever you know. You do it yourself and do it in your own voice. Don't try to copy. It can lead to a big failure. But follow the success footprints. That what exactly is the person doing, how he or she is saying the commands, and use your own voice, because अपनी खुद की आवाज में वो दम होता है. Hardly 100 में से एक आधा ऐसा होगा कि जो शायद अपनी आवाज में ना कर पाए, so he or she has to do the voice tonality. But in normal case, your own voice can help you to take anyone in trance. Just आपका determination खुद के अंदर पहले होना चाहिए that yes, I can do it. And the day you say that yes, I can do it, you'll be able to do it. And it's not about that proud thing कि हाँ मुझे ही सब आता है. I can do it for the confidence that yes, you can do it. It should not be an overconfidence. Have that confidence, but don't have overconfidence. 100% result मिलेगा. So now what we are doing is, our entire body is governed by, like, your right brain controls your left body and left brain controls your right body. This technique now which we'll be learning is nothing, but it's like your mind controlling your right and left body. And once you use this technique, I'll not call it as anchoring in NLP. It is not an anchoring, but it's like parallel to anchoring. It was developed by a doctor, like if you have heard about Silva meditation technique. I'm not claiming it my own technique. It is a Silva meditation technique which they have taught to many of their students. In this is like an extract from that only, the same principle I am using. Your thumb, index finger should be considered as a right part of the body. Middle finger should be considered as a left part of the body. And your thumb is considered as your mind or brain. Anyone has a pulse oximeter at home? Sir, है आपके पास? Okay.
आपके बोलते के साथ ही उठा लाया था.
सर पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर हाथ पे लगा दो. हाथ पे लगा दो.
Sir, I am also doing.
दूसरे हाथ पे लगा दो.
Sir, left
जो
hand
हाथ
or
आप
right
यूज
hand?
करने वाले हो ना, जो हाथ यूज करने वाले हो वो नहीं, दूसरे हाथ पे लाइक एक उंगली पे पल्स ऑक्स में बस. नाउ व्हाट इज द रीडिंग ऑन दैट? ऑक्सीजन रीडिंग देख लीजिए.
99.
99. ललित जी आपका?
93.
Okay. Now, first I'll try to work it out and then explain it. काम तो 100% करता है. Now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Deep, 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 deep. And now, just take your hand exactly in front of you. The hand which you have to use for the exercise. Bring it in front of your face. Not so close. थोड़ा सा सामने ले लेना. Comfortable. Now, just touch your thumb to your index finger and middle finger tightly. Tightly. This way. चाहिए तो एक बार आंख खोल के देख लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. This way. This position has to be this way. Okay. Close your eyes. Now, as you are listening my voice, while I have connected your mind to both the parts of your body, slowly you will start experiencing your breathing pattern has improved. Amazingly, it has improved. And also it will help you to increase your oxygen levels in your body. While I am counting from 1 to 25, make sure that your thumb and the index finger and the middle finger are touched completely the way they have been glued up completely, as if they have glued up. As I am counting from 1 to 25, your mind is giving the command to your body to heal itself and also increase the oxygen levels in your body. You will start experiencing those oxygen levels immediately, and you will see the count increasing slowly. 1, 2, your fingers are glued so tightly that even if you try to move your thumb and the index finger, you will see that they are glued completely. They are completely glued. They are completely glued. They are completely glued. 3, 4, 5, 6. Your oxygen levels are improving. As your mind is completely controlling your entire body, it's controlling your brain. Your oxygen levels are increasing. Your efficiency of the lungs is increasing. 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch your fingers tightly. 11, 12, 13. Deep breathing. You will start experiencing your oxygen level as increase as the thumb and the index fingers are completely glued up to each other. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Your index finger and thumb and the middle finger are glued so tightly. You have glued them permanently. No matter how much you try to release them, they are completely glued to each other. No matter how much you try to release them, they are completely glued to each other. And now you will see your oxygen level rising in your body. You will experience your oxygen level rising in your body. You will start feeling your oxygen level rising in your body, and you're feeling much fresh. Even if the more you try to release your fingers, the more they will be glued. The more you try to release your thumb and the index finger and the middle finger, the more they will be glued. The more you try to release your thumb and the index fingers, they will be completely glued. Very slowly try to open your eyes and see the oxygen level as how it is increasing. Very slowly open your eyes and see the oxygen level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Even if 1 unit it is increasing, it's more than a bigger achievement. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Any changes in your oxygen level, you can just move your hand. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Very slowly, just let me know what is your oxygen level now. ललित जी कितना हुआ है? 94, 95.
98, 97, 98, 97.
Amazing. So 93 to 98, 97 गया. रचना जी
99.
कितना? 99. पहले कितना था?
99. Same था.
So it was good. Now where you can use it? Honestly, I have used it for people who are having issues related to oxygen during COVID. अगर आपका ऑक्सीजन लेवल ड्रॉप हो रहा है, along with your medical treatment, whatever is happening, you can use this technique to improve your oxygen levels, and you can check it yourself. It will improve. 100% होता है.
सॉरी विवेक जी, ये पल्स जो थी
99
93 से 97 हुई है,
हाँ.
और
Oxygen level कितना
ऑक्सीमीटर 107.
107. So oxygen has
हाँ,
increased.
95 से 107.
So it's
सर
an
पल्स
amazing
मेरी भी
thing.
इंक्रीज हुई थी. 83 से
Sir.
92 गई है पल्स.
So definitely it helps you. You have to just maintain कि हाँ आपका खुद का ऑक्सीजन लेवल it works. It also works on your blood sugar levels. अगर आपको कम ज़्यादा करनी है, finally your subconscious mind knows how to make it happen. I am not claiming that this is any substitute to your medical treatment, but I can guarantee you that if you use it in your regular life, those who are having breathing issues, those who are having oxygen issues, अगर आपके आसपास, this can help you. Finally, it is creating that confidence and that belief कि आपका ऑक्सीजन लेवल डेफिनेटली बढ़ता है. मैंने अपने फैमिली में सब पे किया हुआ है. इवन माई 11 years old kids, उन पे भी मैंने करके देखा है. It works. So this technique is termed as a TFT, 3-finger technique, which was like originated by Dr. Joe Silva. आगे उसमें बहुत सारे डेवलपमेंट्स हो गए and everyone uses with their own ways. तो यहाँ पर हमने लाइव देखा है that how you can work out on even on the oxygen levels. Oxygen levels ऐसे ही आप बैठे बैठे चाह कर भी नहीं बढ़ा सकते. I can give you in writing. अगर अभी ये वापस ऐसे बैठ जाए और करे तो नहीं होगा. You have to give the command to your mind that it is happening. And once you use this thumb as your mind, as your brain, this as the right part of the body, this as the left part of the body, and see this should be the exact position. ये हम ऐसे होना चाहिए, ये ऐसे होना चाहिए. I'll just pin myself. ये exact position अगर आप रखते हो, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे there might be a pressure at this particular point. You will feel the pressure.
सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहे सर आपका हैंड.
अब दिखाई दे रहा है?
हैंड
है?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
So you have to use this way so that it becomes and you have to give a command that both of these fingers are there, all the 3 fingers are glued up completely. You will see that you are able to make the changes. Diabetes ho, blood sugar ho, kuch bhi ho. Now, how to use it for other health issues? You can just note it down what exactly and how exactly you can use. Again, I am saying it's not an alternative for your medical therapy. वरना डॉक्टर्स मुझे मारेंगे यहाँ पे. So
सर मेरा भी ऑक्सीजन लेवल बढ़ा सर. 92 था, 95 दिखा रहे सर.
Amazing. It works 100%. I can give you in writing. The only thing what you have to do is use this gently, and this pressure should be uniform. It works. Secondly, now how you can use it. Diabetes patients, If you are facing problems related to insulin, touch these two fingers, give a command from your brain that as long as my this finger and these three fingers are like glued together for next 3 to 5 minutes or whatever, it is generating the required amount of insulin from my pancreas. Command do that it is generating the insulin, because finally your pancreas is also controlled by the brain. It works. आपको आपके ब्रेन को एक्टिवेट करना है that yes, my brain is giving a command to work. Try 10-15 days. Maybe डायबिटीज वालों को जल्दी रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा, probably, but you will see that your insulin levels are getting controlled very easily. It works, that I can tell confidently. डायबिटीज हो, ब्लड प्रेशर हो, कोई भी पैरामीटर जो रिपोर्ट पे मेजर किया जा सकता है, any parameter which you can measure on the report, it can work. Secondly, the problem which we had handled yesterday about irregular periods, or even if someone gets excessive bleeding, especially, you can use this technique to control it, that yes, my mind is controlling the entire flow, and it will help. करके देखो. If you believe, it will 100% work. Those who want to regulate their cycles, use this technique that yes, as long as my brain is giving the command to my uterus, it is performing perfectly fine. IVF patients, give a command that jab karna hai. Simple logic ye hai ki you are spending not less than 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh rupees for IVF. If you are investing that amount, then why you can't spend next 10 minutes of your life daily to give a command to your uterus that yes, perform better. 2 lakh rupees to aap already de rahe ho. So spend at least 10 minutes to work on your mind and body and make it ready so that things become easy. Like simple example, let me complete. Simple example. When you have to make a pizza in the oven, you don't keep that dough of your pizza directly in the oven. You preheat that oven. जो लोग खाना पकाते होंगे उनको पता होगा. You preheat that oven and then only you keep the dough. तो यहाँ तो आप पूरा एक नया life पैदा कर रहे हो. You are trying to create a new life. Why can't you condition your body? It works. Here we have seen the life proof for the oxygen. And oxygen अगर बढ़ सकता है तो बाकी चीजें भी बढ़ सकती है. It works. मैं confidence के साथ कह रहा हूँ. So whatever things you want to make it happen, this technique can help you to make the things happen in terms of health issues. अगर आपको serious कोई भी health issue है, along with the doctor's treatment, do it. आपका डायबिटीज बहुत जल्दी कंट्रोल में आ सकता है अगर आप सही तरीके से इसको करते हो. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं that you are doing this technique and टेक्निक खत्म होते ही आप जाके 2-4 गुलाब जामुन खा लोगे. That will not help. You have to manage your food habits, whatever your doctor has told. But there are instances that no matter how much you do, still your fasting and PP sugars are shooting above. Still your HB1AC is like absolutely nonsense. Because your body is under stress. Work out with these techniques and you will see that things are getting better. Don't compare this course with any course, चाहे वो 25,000 वाला हो, 30,000 वाला हो या 1 लाख वाला हो. Because I know what is being taught in what course. मैं खुद की पढ़ाई नहीं करूँगा, but मैंने देखा है कौन से कोर्स में क्या पढ़ाते हैं. This entire course when I had designed, I had given a thought कि इसको इस तरह से use करना है, that it should be used in the practical life. If you have to use clinical hypnosis theory, there are millions of books available on the Google. Final outcome will be absolutely zero even if you read any book. If you don't follow the basic principle that subconscious mind doesn't understand the difference between reality and imagination. ये रूल को अपने गांठ मार दो, सब कुछ होता है. वो जैसा 3 इडियट्स में कौन सा आमिर खान का प्रिंसिपल था, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, सक्सेस आपके पीछे भागेगा. Things work. Just give a command to your subconscious mind that I want it. it works. And we have proven it live. कोई दिखा दे चलो अगले hypnotherapy केस में कि कोई openly कि just do it live and show the oxygen readings increased. It works. मुझे confidence है, मैं over confidence में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, confidence में बोल रहा हूँ. You can do it for yourself. So please use it genuinely. यहाँ पे ना मैंने कोई induction technique use किया, ना कुछ use किया. I have not used any induction technique. Simple. Just press your thumb. Think that yes, your brain has started giving the command. This is your brain. This is your left and right body. Start giving the command. अभी यहीं पे कर सकते हो. We'll do one more thing. Let's increase the body temperature. How many of you would like to do it? पसीना आना शुरू होता है. Who would like to volunteer? चलो इसको मैं पिन कर देता हूँ. पल्लवी चलो. Ready? What you have to do is, this is your left part of the body, this is your right part of the body, this is your thumb, which represents your mind and a brain. Done? पानी है ना आसपास? You have a water because you might feel था. ठीक है.
पी लूं?
नहीं अभी मत पियो. अभी मत पियो.
Sir, even I'll do it.
Okay. Who is that?
Prachi.
Prachi. Welcome. So close your eyes. Now, touch your thumb to your index finger and the middle finger the way I have shown, and keep the position that way. As you have touched your thumb and the index finger, along with the middle finger, press them gently and start feeling as if they are glued completely. Now, while I count from 1 to 25, slowly your body, your brain will give the command to your body to increase the temperature, and you will start feeling your palpitations increasing. You will start feeling thirsty as I count from 1 to 25. As your brain has started giving command to your body to increase the body temperature, your mouth will go completely dry while I'm counting from 1 to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, increasing the temperature, 10, 11, 12, 13, you might start feeling thirsty, 14, 15, by the time we reach 20, you will start feeling thirsty, 15, 16, 17, 18, as your fingers are completely glued, your mind is giving a strong command, your brain is giving a strong command that it has started increasing your body temperature. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now that your fingers are completely glued, you can gently open your eyes and observe how your body temperature is increasing. You can gently open your eyes and observe how your body temperature is increasing with every count. 1, 2. The moment you feel any hot flash, just lift your left hand so I can release you from this command. 3, 4, 5, 6. The moment you start feeling hot flashes, please just let me know. I'll release you from this command. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You please raise your hand. Release. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. पसीना आ गया?
I was feeling hot from inside, and I am feeling really very thirsty. Can I have?
Please.
As
Same.
you told the command for insulin, like
Pardon me?
जैसे आपने इन डायबिटीज के लिए कमांड बताया फॉर टीएफटी टेक्निक, राइट? यूजिंग टीएफटी टेक्निक आपने जो, तो मुझे क्या कमांड देनी चाहिए थायराइड के लिए और ऑटो इम्यून डिसऑर्डर के लिए उस वक्त?
When it comes to autoimmune disorder or thyroid,
Yes,
first give a command, like first at least 15 to 20 days. Give a command to your mind that as I am touching these 3 fingers,
yes,
my mind is getting calmer and my brain is helping me to settle down my endocrine glands to come back to normal, because body is into the fight mode. That's the reason these autoimmune things have started. So first settle down your mind, calm down your mind. You will see that things are getting better. Prachi, could you experience that heat?
Yes, sir. In the beginning, first I thought that my heartbeat is going little fast. Then as you went towards 15, 17 and so on, then heat generated on my palms. And then towards the end, I started feeling thirsty. Not like sweating. I did not sweat, but my palms were like wet, little bit wet.
It works 100%.
मैंने भी किया था सर।
Okay, so could you see something?
हाँ जी, मेरी भी वो एकदम से हार्ट बीट तेज हो गई थी पहले, और उसके बाद हाथ में ना जैसे चींटियां सी चलने से महसूस होने लगी थी, बहुत जैसे इचिंग सी, और पसीना आ गया था फेस पे।
Because it works. The moment you give a command to your subconscious mind with the right thought, it will give you the results. No matter what is the issue. अगर किसी को confidence building के लिए problem है, if someone is having problems related to confidence, like you have to do a stage show, just make sure that the day you have that event, 3 to 4 days before that, just start programming your mindset that the moment I did touch these 2 fingers, these 3 fingers, I'll be able to generate that confidence. I'll be able to have that energy in my body, and your adrenaline glands will trigger to give you that confidence. But you have to give a command that for this event only. वरना आपके adrenaline glands हमेशा fire हो जाएंगे the moment you touch this. So give a right command that I am programming myself for this event, that the moment I touch these 2 fingers, I'll be able to deliver my workshop, lecture, whatever it is confidently. Program it specifically for the event, or else it will become a program for lifetime, and the moment you touch these 2 fingers, your body can go into a fight mode. Adrenaline glands अगर continue trigger हुए तो you can have. So give a right command that specifically, be specific that for this particular event, it will work.
Sir, I was sitting in AC, and then too I was feeling, hot from inside, and I felt thirsty.
Thank you for acknowledgement. It works. It works. ये technique मेरी नहीं है, but I have been using it. I have just tried to modify it the way Joe Silva has taught in his workshop. That is totally different. There he teaches how to go into the trance. Here I have tried to utilize for health issues. People use it with various perspectives, but as I am saying, I am not claiming this technique. It was originally derived by Joe Silva. The only thing is you see it and modify it as per your requirement. Like you add the salt in your food. All the 5 family members will not have the same taste. It depends upon how you use. A single Honda City car, someone will like to drive at 150, someone will drive to like at 40 to 50, and someone is comfortable with 80. So any technique which you learn, try to use it from your perspective for betterment of others and betterment of yourself. Never use it for distraction. Because the same technique, if it is used for a destructive purpose, it can create a havoc, which I'll never tell, but it works. So important the important thing is that believe that you are able to do it. The first thing which I had told on day one is, whenever you are doing something, if your first answer comes as no, it will never happen. Think that yes, it can happen. आज नहीं तो कल होगा, because whatever today is a fiction, tomorrow it can be a reality. You never know what happens at what time. So we should not say no to the things. Reality can happen anytime the moment you start thinking that yes, I want the results and I can deliver the results. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? I just have a sip of water. एक मिनट, एक पानी लेके आता हूँ. Now, cancer cells.
Sir,
Let me complete 2 minutes. Cancer cells. Anyone having any health issues, even related to cancer or whatever, first understand what is cancer and then use the technique, the same technique. Let the person do it. I'm not saying that you should not continue with the treatment. Continue with the treatment, but use this technique. The cell repair mechanism will happen at a faster rate. Also, this technique can be used before chemo, giving a command that yes, only the necessary cells which are to be destroyed by the chemo will be done, rest all the cells will be protected. Kar do. You never know what miracle can happen at what time, because your body knows how to repair itself and how to fight against certain things. कमांड देने में तो कुछ जाता नहीं है, कीमो तो करानी है आपको, जिस किसी को करानी है. So at least if they give a command that yes, as long as my these 3 fingers are touched, I am accepting the chemo to repair myself, to heal myself. Only those body parts will get healed. बिल्कुल होगा, but आपको भरोसा चाहिए. Whatever things you are doing, you give the command and your body will, if your oxygen levels can increase, if your heart level can increase, even your cell biology happens. It all lies in the mind. So the moment you decide that you want to do something, do it. And always कोई भी चीज जब आप सीखते हो ना, उसको practically किस तरह से use कर पाओगे, उस angle से देखो. Try to see it that how exactly you can use it practically. Tomorrow, if your 10-year-old child says that Mama आपने क्या सीखा, Daddy आपने क्या सीखा, you should be able to tell him, boss, देखो ये मैंने सीखा, चल तुझे magic करके दिखाती हूँ, तेरा हाथ lock करके बताती हूँ. You will be able to do it. Do this experiment now, today or tomorrow. This is the exercise for you, and you have to record it video पे. आपका 8-10 साल का जो बच्चा होगा ना, उसका हाथ, you have to stiff his hand. Give the command and make it so stiff that he or she is not able to move it. It is practically possible. Second, who would like to do the experiment for coin hitting? Coin hitting. ₹5 का dollar. Take a 5 rupees dollar in your hand or give in someone's hand and give this command that now the temperature of the coin is increasing. Who would like to take this as a challenge? Hoga. I know that it is possible because I have done it. So that's not, but you have to record it.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
आपके बच्चे के हाथ में दो, बेटी के हाथ में कॉइन. फर्स्ट give a induction to her, then give a deepener that the hand is stiff, and then give the command 1 to 25, that see and feel how the temperature of the coin is increasing. बिल्कुल होगा. ठीक है. This assignment you are doing.
Okay.
Pallavi, you are doing the assignment for hand stiffness. Third assignment I have, and who would like to do it? Like before even I tell the assignment, someone should say yes that I'll be able to do it. Assignment मैं बताऊंगा. Who would like to do it? Simple assignment है बहुत, and it's possible. It happens. Because ये सीखे बगैर, unless and until you learn, you practice these techniques, hypnotherapy आपको सीखने का मजा नहीं आएगा. Who would like to take the third assignment before even I tell that what is the assignment? चलो श्वेता. So the assignment is.
सर परम ने पहले हाथ किया हुआ है कब से?
परम का हाथ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. परम को बोलना हाथ ऊपर गए हो, गर्लफ्रेंड के चक्कर में घूम रहा है शायद. परम तुम्हारे लिए असाइनमेंट है, श्वेता के लिए भी है, तुमको भी असाइनमेंट आ रही है. श्वेता विल बी डूइंग वन असाइनमेंट जहां पर 10 to 1, 10 फिंगर्स, उसमें से 5वां फिंगर गायब करना है. And when the child will count, he will count from 10, 9, yeah, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Practically possible, I have done it with my daughter. Give a command that you are forgetting the number 5 from your memory system. But make sure that you also give a command along with it, that as the moment I give you the release command, you will be able to recollect that number 5. 5वां नंबर गायब करना है. हाथ को उंगलियां कितनी है? तो 11. ठीक है. पर हम आपके लिए एक्सपेरिमेंट. And genuinely try it. Take a bulb, 40 watt का, 60 watt का bulb. You must be having a, what do we call, वो फर्शी असते ना. You know that if you throw the bulb down, it will just break off into pieces. Okay? I guarantee you, it will not break. What you have to do is hold this bulb, look straight to it, and give the command to that bulb that as I am giving you the command, you are becoming rock solid. Without any second thought, continuously give the command that it is becoming rock solid, rock solid, rock solid. Throw that bulb, it will not break. मैंने ये करके देखा है. Rock solid. दिमाग में बिल्कुल दूसरा कोई ख्याल नहीं लाने का कि ये होगा नहीं होगा. If someone has seen that spoon bending exercise which I had put on the YouTube, spoon sponge की तरह bend होता है. It works. That video is there. I have done it live. Take a spoon, you can actually use the mind power and bend it. वो भी अगर कोई करना चाहता है तो कर सकता है. I'll tell you how to do it. Hold the spoon, see it at the center of that spoon. See the center of the spoon. Start giving a command that as I am holding this spoon, the center of that spoon is becoming hot, very hot, very hot. इतना ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाएगा कि एक particular point पे the moment you do it, it will start twisting. It will. You can twist it like a sponge. It works. So ये 3-4 experiments are these 3-4 experiments. Tomorrow, Param, you are recording this. You might see that you might break 1 or 2 bulbs, or you might see that you are getting the success on the first go itself. But it works. I'm sure about it. Coin hitting, finger, forgetting the finger, arm clasping, completely arm lock, bulb you are doing. और कौन क्या कर रहा है? Rachna, you are doing for your daughter, what are you doing? Coin hitting. हाँ, बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल हो जाएगा. I am 200% sure that each one of you will be successful in your experiment. Only key to make it happen is giving a right induction and a right deepener with the release command, especially for the finger technique when you are making a person forget something. So that whenever that release command is given, the person is able to recollect that number 5, number 6. Because it works. इंसान भूल जाता है. बिल्कुल होगा. So do it. And it lies in the mind. बाकी कुछ नहीं है. The moment you start believing that yes, it will work, it works 100%. Because if your oxygen levels can increase, everything is possible. Coin heating is the easiest experiment in hypnosis. Easiest. You can heat it like anything. When your body temperature can increase, Pallavi, you can increase the coin also. You can heat the coin. Because finally our body has that power, our mind has that power, and you can heat it. You can find it. Similarly, same technique is used for healing water and charging waters. That is, you can charge the water that yes, it is becoming the best medicine in the world. It will help you to heal. So it is all in the mind. अगर आप लोग ये कर पाते हो, क्योंकि मुझे यकीन है आप लोग ये कर पाओगे, इसलिए मैंने आपको ये एक्सरसाइज दी है. And I want you to record it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having such faith in ourselves.
I'm 200% sure in each and every student of mine that you will be able to do it.
विवेक जी, लिंक जो वो स्पून बेंडिंग का है ना, उसका लिंक प्लीज शेयर कीजिएगा.
हाँ ठीक है, बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि यहाँ लिविंग चीज को तो चलो कर रहे हैं, नॉन लिविंग के लिए जैसे अब परम को टास्क मिला है बल्ब के लिए.
हाँ.
तो बल्ब को कैसे, मतलब ये किसको देना है, हमने कमांड किसको देना है यहाँ पर, मैसेज किसको?
बल्ब को.
ओके.
बल्ब को कमांड देना है that you are becoming so strong.
डीपनर, इंडक्शन, बल्ब को.
इंडक्शन डायरेक्टली बल्ब को दोगे ना,
ओके,
काम करता है. मैंने स्पून का मैं अभी भेजता हूँ ना ग्रुप पे. एक मिनट.
ओके.
आई हैव डन इट लाइव एंड किसी के यहाँ स्टेज शो था.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने अभी मुझे वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट हो गया था सर, वो थायराइड और ऑटो इम्यून का जो आपने.
हाँ, थायराइड वाला ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर कंप्लीट मैंने किया. ये कहा आपसे कि whenever thyroid happens, it is because your body is under the continuous fight mode. So calm down your mind. सबसे पहले इसको कर दीजिए थोड़े दिनों के लिए. You will see that things are happening. बिल्कुल होते हैं, क्योंकि थायराइड होता ही है बॉडी फाइट मोड में जाने की वजह से.
Calm down your mind and what to do with the glands.
Calm down your mind and give a command that your brain is allowing your body, entire body, to settle down the way it has to function normally. Like for example, ये अगर ये command देते हो ना, my brain is allowing my glands to perform perfectly. बस इतना ही command दो, the way they have to perform, because your body knows how they have to perform. You don't have to tell कि हाँ मेरा इतना रिपोर्ट चाहिए, इतना ये चाहिए. अभी कुछ मत करो. My brain is allowing my glands to perform in the natural way for keeping me healthy. It will work. बिल्कुल काम करेगा.
Okay sir. सर मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये होगा. सर मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि जैसे थायराइड और ऑटो इम्यून के लिए ऐसे ही मतलब हम अपने वेट लॉस के लिए हमें क्या कमांड देनी चाहिए?
वेट लॉस के लिए तो सबसे आसान है ये TFT. It works miracles.
Yes sir.
The moment I touch these two fingers, my entire body, my brain is giving the right command to help. सबसे पहले एक तो आपको डाइजेशन ठीक करना है. उसके बाद जो भी एक्सेस फैट है, that fat is getting converted into muscle mass, so that you are not feeling weak after weight loss. जनरली लोग फैट को डिसॉल्व करने के चक्कर में मसल मास भूल जाते हैं. Let it get converted into muscle mass so that you have that strength, that endurance. Muscle mass is always important.
So we have to give the command that the excessive fat is getting converted into muscle mass.
Yes, excessive fat is getting converted into muscle mass, or else if you don't want muscle mass, at least that excessive fat is being consumed in the right way so that I am looking healthy. Param ka jo question hai that can it help to increase the height? I can't claim it, but yes, there are people who have claimed about it, because when you work on the body mechanism, as per biology, it is said that after a particular time your height can't increase. But मेरा मानना ये है, miracles can happen, so giving a try is worth it. Instead of thinking कि शायद नहीं होता, शायद होता, why not to give a try? ये होगा, क्योंकि कल जो आपको मैं टेक्निक सिखाऊंगा उसमें like I remember I had told on day first that अगर किसी से पैसे वापस निकालने हैं, if something has to be taken back, how to do it, how to transfer your thoughts to someone's mind, that I teach definitely to you. Param, tell her that yes, your question about height, it can be worked out if she believes in it, but probably then she might have to do it for a longer time. Let her give a try. There is no harm in giving a try. मैं आपसे पैसे नहीं मांग रहा हूँ, ना आपको कोई पैसे खर्च करने, but yes, you have to just wait for some time and do it. You never know what can happen, because it's a body mechanism, and during COVID times I had also developed one video which had helped many patients to gain that strength back. Immunity बढ़ाने के लिए काफी लोगों को मदद हुई थी. Whoever my friends who believed in it, they saw the results. और यहाँ इसलिए मैंने लाइव करके दिखाया है कि ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स बढ़ सकते हैं तो दुनिया में कुछ भी बढ़ सकता है. It is possible. So believe in it कि ये होगा करके. Tomorrow, Param, you are doing that bulb experiment and you are recording it. I'll put you live on YouTube once you do it. बिल्कुल हो जाएगा. But do it. Believe it is. मैंने अभी spoon bending का ग्रुप में डाल दिया है. And I have actually bent it like a sponge without applying the muscle power, because it lies in your thought. 100% काम करता है. Non-living things, yes, those who believe in Reiki works like miracles. I'll show you the points. जिनको लिखना है लिख लो, जिनको देखना है बाद में वीडियो पे देख सकते हो. ये दो उंगलियां लेनी है. I choose to release all my emotions. 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 जहाँ पर exactly 4 उंगलियां नीचे. I choose to release all my emotions. I choose to release all my emotions. I choose to release all my emotions. Then I choose to release all my emotions. I choose to release all my emotions. Then I choose to release all my emotions. I choose to release all my emotions. I choose to release all my emotions. Then I choose to release all my emotions. Then I choose to release all my emotions. Then this point is termed as a gamut point. I choose to release all my emotions. I choose to release all my emotions. उसके बाद सबसे लास्ट में I choose to release all my emotions and I empty my emotions. I choose to release all my emotions and I empty my emotions. एकदम हल्का लगेगा, बिल्कुल हल्का लगेगा. यहाँ से शुरू करना है. This is the first point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point, sixth point, seventh point, 8th बाहर का, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, gamut point, यहाँ gamut point, and then this point. इतना टैपिंग रोज करोगे ना तो लाइफ बदल जाएगी. 1.5 मिनट लगता है.
सिर्फ एक ही हाथ में
करना है, because finally it immediately gives you the relief. एक ही हाथ में करना.
लेफ्ट हैंड
Only on the
राइट,
left
जो भी
side,
आपको चलने, जो भी आपका चलने वाला हाथ है ना, उससे दूसरे हाथ पे करो, क्योंकि चलने वाला हाथ आपका एक्टिवली कर पाएगा.
the left will more work because left portion of body is responsible for emotions as it is governed by
तो
right
हाँ, जो
brain.
राइट हैंडी है
Yes, sir.
वो लेफ्ट पे ज्यादा काम करेंगे,
हम्म,
बट जो लेफ्टी है वो राइट पे कर
वो
सकते हैं.
right पे है.
इट वर्क्स 100%. आप किसी भी उम्र में कभी भी टैपिंग कर सकते हो. लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई हैड टेकन अ बैच ऑफ EFT, 60, 65 हर एज के लोग थे. इट वर्क्स. बस आप इतना ही कर दो, यू विल सी थिंग्स हैपनिंग इमीडिएटली.
So once a day करना है ये?
वंस अ डे कर दीजिए सोने से पहले.
सर इसमें सभी चीज के लिए वर्क करता है, तो वेट लॉस के लिए भी और हर चीज में
I
ये
choose to,
वर्क
I
करता है.
choose to release my weight. बिल्कुल काम करेगा,
Yeah.
but don't take it as an option for hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy ज्यादा powerful है.
जी
It
सर
works.
जी.
सर
हाँ जी.
लाइक अभी हमने थाइमस के लिए जो टैपिंग किया, there is a thymus exercise in our access course also, so this will also work now.
Definitely it works. Access consciousness, na?
Yeah.
Access
That,
consciousness is totally a different thing, but then not everyone has access to access consciousness.
Yeah,
Because
that's
itself
the
is
point.
costly. So
That's
if
the
you
point.
know access consciousness, do it, but you are not allowed to teach others
Yeah.
as per rule. So you should not. But if you know access consciousness, do it, because I am an access bar practitioner. It
Even
works.
I am, sir.
So definitely it works. But don't teach it, because we are not allowed to.
Yeah,
do
we are
it.
not allowed to
It's a
teach
legal
it.
crime. They'll
Yeah.
sue us with a big.
They have
fine.
everything like where,
वो फाइन बहुत बड़ा है. So let us
Yeah,
not
we
discuss
cannot
about
do
access
that.
consciousness.
but we can practice it on regular basis, no?
You can practice it, because once we have that certificate of practicing the bar, we can practice it, but we can't teach it. So let's take a break for today. I hope I have lived up to your expectations. सभी लोगों ने अपने अपने assignments लिख लिए. Please put it in the group that who is doing what assignments, so that tomorrow I don't forget. मेरी memory बहुत weak है, भूल जाता हूँ मैं. तो कल वीडियोस भेज देना.
विवेक जी, अगर मैं आज अपना वीडियो आपको दूं तो आप देख के प्लीज मेरी गलतियां बता पाओगे?
अरे सर, एनी
टाइम निकाल लोगे थोड़ा सा?
एनी टाइम. आज अभी आप भेजोगे क्या?
आप जब मर्जी देखने ना, भेज मैं अभी देता हूँ
हाँ,
लिंक.
भेज दीजिए. अभी रात को मैं बैठूंगा तो 2:30 बजे तक तो देख लूंगा.
ठीक.
चलो देन.
Thank you,
Very
sir. Good
nice.
night.
Thank you, sir.
Good night,
जाना
Thank you.
everyone.
Good night, sir.
अपना मुखड़ा
everyone.
दिखा देना.
Good night, sir.
प्लीज पुट ऑन योर कैमरा. ललित जी, आप एक्सपर्ट हो फोटो क्लिक करने में.
Sir,
हाँ जी. यस अब्दुल जी.
I have a question.
यस प्लीज.
I want to know, have you read our script or no? If there is any problem to improve?
I'll be going through each and every script today. Like everyone, most of them have sent the script. Today I'll be, and yes, especially your script, I have gone through it. You have mentioned about immunity, right?
Yeah.
Sir, I have gone
Yeah.
through your script. It is perfect. I have gone through it because immunity is like my most favorite subject in the world. So I have gone through your script completely. It is right. You have done it rightly. Of course, I'll go through it once again and then also tell you that what extra words you can add. But you have made a right script for immunity. That is my best thing which I love in the world.
Sir, I did it for skin allergies.
Yes, वो आपकी भी पढ़ ली मैंने. आपकी भी पढ़ ली. You have done it right. श्वेता की भी पढ़ ली. श्वेता ने भी अच्छी लिखी है. जो भी थोड़े बहुत यहाँ वहाँ होंगे वो आप लोग सीख जाओगे, क्योंकि कल जब हम सीखेंगे, tomorrow when we learn few words as what words have to be used, you will be a perfect script master, that I can tell you. Please put on your camera.
Sir.
हाँ अर्चना. Yes.
Sir. सर 3 फिंगर टेक्निक वो हम हमारे बॉडी के अलावा अगर मेरा रिसर्च का टाइपिंग या कुछ ऐसा बहुत तकलीफ दे रहा है तो उसके लिए यूज कर सकते हैं सर ये?
See, you can use it in this way that it is helping me to get the solutions. Like my brain is working at a better way and I'm able to get the right solutions. It will activate your brain.
Okay.
But I think you should first use it on your spine. Try using it.
No sir, my research work,
नाही,
माझं
I know.
PhD चं जे काम आहे
You
ना,
use it for PhD
sir.
also, and also use it on your spine. It
हा
will
sir.
help you. Use it on your
Okay.
spine. It will help you.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes definitely sir.
So, and also,
we have about
just 1 minute. Abdul ji, just only 1
Yes,
minute.
sir.
Archana, same.
Yes sir.
Also tell your mother to do it for
Okay
her
sir.
things.
3 finger technique na
TFT,
sir.
TFT, that as long as I'm
Okay.
touching these 2 fingers, it is helping me
Okay.
to release the pain on my face.
Okay. Okay. हाँ sir.
Baki, let doctor handle it, but at least she will be
Yes,
able
sir.
to manage the pain.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you. So please put on your camera.
sorry, just
Yes,
I
sir.
want to
Abdul
know
sir.
about weight gaining and weight lossing. We have tomorrow any session for that.
Weight gaining and weight loss.
Yeah.
The same technique. That's what I explained today. Again, I'll take it tomorrow, not a big problem. That how to gain the weight and how to manage the weight. This technique will help you at a faster rate. That how to gain and how to manage it. Definitely it works. And especially if someone is having problems related to craving of eating sugar, how to convert that craving of eating sugar into eating fruits. Because eating direct sugar is dangerous for body, but eating fruits is still sustainable. So we'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Past life regression.
Past
is
life
this-
होगा. Past life होगा. सबकी past life आएगी. Don't worry. But of course, I'm telling you, the past life regression which I will be doing tomorrow is specifically meant for accessing the best of your life in whichever life you have done. So we'll be using it that way. बाद में जब भी कभी मेरा advanced past life regression का course आएगा, that I'll let you know, in which, because past life regression takes time. But tomorrow what we'll be learning is that will be useful in your daily life, as whatever patterns are stopping in your life, how to get those patterns from that particular life and use it in this life. आपके पिछले जन्म में अगर कोई patterns हैं अच्छे, suppose if someone is facing any health issue, you can go back to any life where you had a perfect health, get those patterns and use them in this life. It works. बिल्कुल काम करेगा. Because I have done it on Zoom for a New Zealand based client. उसके लिए वो काम कर रहा है, आपके लिए भी करेगा. बिल्कुल होगा. तो और किस किस का फोटो बाकी है आने का? जीविका, राखी. By any chance, if others can put up their ललित जी, आपका होने के बाद बता लीजिए, so that others can मतलब stand at his position से बाहर आ जाएंगे.
सर अगर बाकी के कैमरा ऑन कर रहे हैं तो बेटर है, नहीं तो
हाँ, मैं वही देख रहा था. Just 1 second. Let us try. Is it possible for other two for 1 minute?
Not possible.
ठीक है, not a problem. Okay, चलिए ललित जी.
डन.
थैंक यू. तो बहुत अच्छा रहा सेशन आज का.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.